Hello traders. Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so today we are going to be reviewing the XIRO robot for MT4 and MT5. This system trades GBPUSD, XAUUSD, and BTCUSD on the M5 time frame. So let's look at the claims and the test results. Alright, so let me just expand this. From the MQ5 page, Zero Robot is a professional trading system that combines two proven approaches and enhances them with additional protective mechanisms. It is designed to operate on three liquid instruments, the GBPUSD, XAUUSD, and BTCUSD on the M5 time frame. The EA opens trades under normal market conditions and manages every position automatically with take profits, stop loss, trailing stop, and break even. The developer emphasizes structured daily operation rather than random or high risk recovery methods. Users receive a detailed manual in multiple languages and access to a private support group. A free additional tool is also offered after purchase. The system is positioned as accessible, transparent, and supported by an active community. The key features include multi-instrument support for GBPUSD, gold, and Bitcoin, full automatic trade management with TP, SL, trailing, and break-even, daily trading under normal conditions, maximum open positions limits, on chart information panel, and broad broker compatibility. Installation is described as simple with only one main parameter needing adjustments. Ongoing updates are provided free of charge based on user feedback. TEA is available for both MT4 and MT5. Alright, so we can also see some of the screenshots on the website presented by the developer. Can see on this one for the initial deposit of $3,000 there was a profit of over $1 million. The profit factor was quite high, 10.87, and the balance drawdown was just 3.03%. So these actually look to be stellar results presented by the developer, but we are going to have to take this with a pinch of salt. As you can also see the equity curve, you can see how it moves up sharply in sort of like a 45-degree angle, showing a very good performance. But we are going to compare that to my own personal backtest now to see if the screenshots here on the web page and the developer claims are actually what they are presented to be. So we're just going to head over to MT5 now. And as you can see, I was opportune to test the EA using the recommended parameters. I used XAUUSD on the M5 time frame for a custom period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. Okay, the 1 year period. So for in my back test on a 10K account, my initial deposit was $10,000. The equity curve showed steady upward growth with very small drawdowns. As you can see, net profit was modest but positive at $216 on the 10K account, with a solid profit factor of 2.64 and high recovery metrics. As you can see, the balance drawdown was 0.32%. Alright, so this type of equity curve that we got in our backtest is actually encouraging for a multi-instrument system, but it is important to remember that results depend heavily on the tested period, exact settings, and broker conditions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. So, compared to the developer's description of a reliable, structured daily tool, the test showed controlled risks and gradual growth. The combination of three instruments can provide some diversification, but gold and Bitcoin still introduce higher volatility. Honestly, the features that matter most are the risk settings, proper use of the automatic management tools, and thorough testing on your own broker. The multi language support and community access are practical advantages. As for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, trading gold and Bitcoin alongside GBPUSD increases exposure to different market drivers. Spreads, swaps, and execution quality vary across these instruments. Live results can differ from backtests. In practice, start with conservative risk, monitor each instrument, and ensure your broker handles all three pairs well. No system is free from drawdowns. As for who this is actually for and who should avoid it, this is traders looking for a structured multi-instrument system with automatic management and community supports. It's good if you are comfortable trading GBPUSD, gold, and Bitcoin together. You should probably avoid this EA if you prefer single pair focus, dislike higher volatility assets like gold and crypto, or want fully transparent open source logic. Overall, XIRO Robot presents a structured, multi-instrument approach with controlled risk features in a tested period. It has potential for traders who value daily operation and automatic management, but thorough demo testing and realistic expectations are essential. Always trade with money you can afford to lose. Alright, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description too. Trace safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.